nā mai koutou, Kor Zak ingoa. My name is Zak.
And more today, Winton School, called Riley ahau. I am Riley. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 24th of May.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is morena, which is te reo for good morning.
As in morena e hoa. Good morning, mate.
Kia ora, that's morena, which is te reo for good morning.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. Hi VIZ VESTS. We need to wear them to and from school.
We need, especially as the mornings are getting darker and darker.
Still with health and safety, when playing in the nature area, please leave the edging sleepers in place.
They're there for a reason. Leave them in place, please.
And ice packs. If you use an ice pack, make sure the ice pack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Whare puka puka news. The House of Books, aka the library, will be open 12:45 tēnei rā through to Rāmiri for browsing, issues and returns.
And another big day in room 1 today.
Having our first day at school is Latana Huremati Waio.
Welcome to Winton School, Latana. Enjoy your time in room 1, which must be getting close to full by now.
Pals news. Check the timetable outside the library. Rooms 4 and 5, I think it's you.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kitea pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the grass, Winton School.